Today, I would like to celebrate all the teachers who shared their wisdom and offered me the support that I needed to become a meditation teacher myself. So, this one is for all those who patiently helped me grow with their guidance and feedback. Thank you. I hope you have also met some amazing teachers on your own path, and you can join me in being grateful for the teachings, support, and patience you received. As always, we will start by finding a comfortable position. You can sit, stand, or lie down. If possible, find a position in which you can be both relaxed and aware, as it will help you in focusing on the simple goal of this practice, feeling and expressing gratitude. If it feels comfortable, I invite you now to gently close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. A deep inhale through the nose, and then a slow exhale through the nose or the mouth, whichever way you prefer. It may even feel good to release the tension and settle into the body by letting a big sigh out when exhaling. Another deep breath in and a slow breath out. Shifting attention to the body. Notice the body's position in space. How it is touching the surface you're on. And perhaps your feet are touching the ground or the floor. Your hands are resting on your lap or belly or touching each other. As you breathe in and out naturally, shortly scan the body. If possible, releasing any tension you might be noticing. Relaxing the muscles of the face, those around and behind the eyes, unfurling the brow, unclenching the jaw, letting the shoulders drop down, letting the arms be heavy, relaxing the muscles of the arms all the way down to the hands and each finger. With the next breath, letting the chest and the belly fully inflate and then deflate with the exhale. Relaxing the belly muscles, moving attention down to the lower belly and hip area, then to the legs, and relaxing the leg muscles all the way down to the feet and each of the toes, just letting the whole body to be heavy and relaxed, letting the body breathe naturally, letting it rest for a short while as you stay present with the body and the breath. Before we reflect on important teachers in our lives, I invite you to find the best meditation anchor for you. It could be the breath, body sensations, or sounds. The anchor is simply a way to focus attention, and it serves as a safe space to return to whenever we get distracted. That means the best anchor will be one that is pleasant and easy to follow. Once you decide on your anchor, simply focus your attention on it for a moment and let your mind calm down naturally. Just focusing on the breath, body sensations, or sounds for a short moment. To fully connect with the feelings of gratitude, it may be helpful to put a hand on the heart area and then bring to mind a situation when you were thankful for someone or something, allowing the warmth of your hand help this gratitude to sink deeper into your heart. There is no need to force these feelings though. Our hearts often open to gratitude, love, and compassion in a natural way if we just allow them to do so. As we are focusing the gratitude on our teachers today, you can start by recalling one specific teacher who has touched your life. It could be a school teacher, a mentor, a meditation guide, or even someone without a formal teacher's role. Their lessons maybe come through example rather than words or lectures. Try to picture that person in your mind as clearly as possible, remembering all the ways they helped, guided, supported you. Notice their presence and care, and silently in your mind, offer them your gratitude. You can use your own words or perhaps repeat the phrases after me. Thank you for sharing your wisdom. Thank you for guiding and supporting me. Thank you for your patience and care. You can pause to feel the warmth of your appreciation for that teacher, letting it truly sink in, and perhaps repeating the phrases. Thank you for sharing your wisdom. Thank you for guiding and supporting me. Thank you for your patience and care. You can repeat these words, bringing to mind another important teacher in your life. Or you can expand this gratitude to all the teachers along your path, all those who encouraged you, challenged you, and maybe even helped you through difficulties. They all cared for your growth and well being. Each one has hopefully left a positive imprint on who you are today. Repeating the phrases while staying grounded in the breath and the body if your mind gets distracted. Thank you for sharing your wisdom. Thank you for guiding and supporting me. Thank you for your patience and kindness. Breathing in gratitude, letting the heart open, and breathing out kindness. If you are a teacher yourself, you may also wish to recognize how all the teachers before you have made it possible, how this lineage of wisdom is flowing from teacher to student, from past to present, and from you to future generations. All of your teachers' guidance, feedback, and support continue through you, so you can also appreciate the important role and the impact you now have yourself. So I would also like to thank you for sharing your wisdom. Thank you for guiding and supporting everyone. And thank you for your patience and kindness. For a moment, let yourself simply rest in this awareness of connection to teachers, past and present. Notice how the feelings of gratitude affect your body. Perhaps there's some warmth in your chest, a softening of the heart. Once you are ready to finish the practice, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. You may also want to gently move your fingers and toes. Slowly return to your surroundings, reopening the eyes if you had them closed. I hope you can carry this gratitude with you into the rest of your day and perhaps even express your thanks to your teachers personally. And again, if you are a teacher, thank you for all you do to educate future generations. Have a wonderful Teacher's Day.